Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today's video is all about creating the perfect 4th of July outfits. Whether you're attending a backyard barbecue, watching fireworks, or enjoying a festive parade, we have got you covered with stylish, patriotic looks that embody the spirit of Independence Day. Let's dive into some fabulous outfit ideas that combine red, white, and blue in the most fashionable ways. For those laid back gatherings, comfort is key, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. Pair classic denim shorts with a festive graphic tee featuring stars, stripes, or a fun patriotic slogan. Add some white sneakers for comfort and red bandana for a touch of flair. This outfit is perfect for a casual family barbecue or a day at the park. A red romper is an easy, stylish choice for the 4th of July. Look for one with the fun detail like ruffles or off the shoulder sleeves. Pair it with some white sandals and blue accessories such as a bracelet or a crossbody bag to complete the look. A white sundress is both fresh and timeless. Choose a dress with a simple silhouette and pair it with red sandals and a blue denim jacket. Add some star-shaped earrings for a festive touch. If your plans involve soaking up the sun by the water, here are some chic yet practical outfit ideas. Opt for a swimsuit with red, white, and blue stripes. Add a lightweight white cover-up and some flip-flops for an effortless beach look. Don't forget your sunglasses and a white brimmed hat for sun protection. A blue bikini paired with high-waisted white shorts is both stylish and functional. Throw on a red kimono style cover up for a pop of color. Add some espadrilles and a straw towel bag to carry all your beach essentials. A flowy maxi dress in a patriotic color or pattern is perfect for transitioning from the beach to a beachside dinner. Choose a dress with a slit for added movement and pair it with some comfortable sandals. A floppy hat and some delicate jewelry will complete the look. For evening celebrations, you will want an outfit that's a bit more polished but still festive. A red wrap dress is flattering on all body types and perfect for a 4th of July evening. Pair it with some navy blue heels and a white clutch. Add some silver jewelry for a bit of sparkle under the fireworks. A blue jumpsuit is both chic and comfortable. Look for one with a cinched waist and a wide legs. Pair it with white block heels and a red belt to the look together. Some simple gold jewelry will add a touch of elegance. A white lace top paired with a blue skirt is a feminine and sophisticated choice. Choose a skirt with a fun detail like pleats or a slight flare. Add some red flats and a matching clutch for a pop of color. Some pearl earrings will add a classic touch. Don't be afraid to mix and match different pieces to create a unique and personal look. A red skirt can be paired with a navy and white striped top for a nautical inspired look. Add some white sneakers or sandals and a blue handbag for a fun festive touch. Classic blue jeans paired with a white blouse is a simple yet stylish combination. Choose a blouse with a fun detail like puff sleeves or embroidery. Add some red accessories like a belt or shoes to complete the look. White pants can be dressed up or down. Pair them with a red tank top and some blue accessories like a scarf or bag. Add some strappy sandals and a statement necklace for a polished finish. The right accessories can elevate your outfit and a touch of festivity. It includes the patriotic scarf, can be worn in various ways, or opt for fun festive jewelry like star-shaped earrings, red bangles, or blue statement necklaces, or a bag that complements your outfit and is functional for the day's activities. Comfortable footwear is essential for a day of festivities like sandals or sneakers or wedges offer a bit of height while style being comfortable. Outerwear, depending on the weather, you might need a light jacket or sweater for the evening. Denim jacket or a cardigan, lightweight cardigan in a neutral color can be draped over your shoulder, or for a more polished look, opt for a blazer in a patriotic color. The 4th of July is a time to celebrate freedom, fun, and family. Your outfit should reflect the festive spirit of the day. Stay tuned for more fashion tips and inspiration from Nuna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for fabulous content. Have a fantastic 4th of July celebration. Bye for now.